Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the obvious but essential details. Make sure the document isn't set to read-only or marked as final, and check that another instance isn't holding it open. If the file is on OneDrive or SharePoint, look at File Status and Sync icons. Once done, sign into your Microsoft account to ensure correct permissions. If you lack edit rights, request them. These steps prevent wasted effort on deeper fixes when the problem is simply access or file state. Next, you repair Office and isolate extensions. Run a quick repair first, and if that fails, use online repair to replace corrupted components. Then launch Word in safe mode by holding Control while opening Word. This disables add-ins so you can test editing. If editing works, go to File, Options, Add-ins, and disable COM and template add-ins one by one to find the culprit. Make sure to restart Word after each change. This isolates the precise cause and restores normal behavior efficiently. Finally, convert and recreate. If the file is a PDF or old, doc, save, or export to modern. Docx, since compatibility can block edits. Check review, protect document for editing restrictions, and remove them if you have permission. If Word still refuses to edit, copy the content into a new blank document and save it locally to break hidden corruption. One troubleshooting tip: if copying fails, open the file in WordPad or Google Docs to extract text. This often recovers content when Word won't allow edits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.